In a world driven by data, vision, and digital security, the next generation of computing professionals are shaping the future at Simon Fraser University. At the professional graduate level, the School of Computing Science offers 3 specialized programs in Masters in Professional Computer Science: Big Data, Visual Computing, and Cybersecurity, designed for hands-on learning, preparing professionals to tackle real-world challenges.
My name is Shubham Bhatia. I'm currently working at Amazon as a software development engineer, and I'm an alumni of the SFU MPCS Big Data program. The MPCS program helped me build the ability to push through complex problems and deliver high-quality solutions, a skill that's very essential in high-scale engineering environments like AWS.
My name is Jill Ferrance. I'm a graduate student in the Masters in Professional Computer Science program, specializing in visual computing. I knew I needed real-world experience to more confidently step into the industry, and that's why I chose this program, because it not only offers hands-on lab training, but also has a built-in co-op program where you can get that real-world experience.
My name is Oliver Stutz. I'm the CTO of the Pravirian Group. We do security and data protection worldwide. I am very concerned about the future of encryption. And this is one of the most interesting parts at SFU because they lead in quantum computing research. And this is a big part of the Master Cybersecurity too, as we do applied cryptography to learn the basics and the attackability of algorithms. We can be sure that at the end of the degree we know what is safe and what isn't.
A lot of students in my cohort were professionals. They already worked at a company before they joined the master's program, and me being a fresher right from the undergrad, it helped me learn a lot from their experiences and collaborate with them directly. So it was like making a small startup on its own inside SFU, doing every project every day.
So not only did I get hands-on lab training, but I also had the opportunity to develop my professional experience by presenting and discussing my work directly with industry professionals, providing me with job-ready skills for when I graduate.